we've got you covered. Here are some valuable tips to help you improve your performance and excel in the IELTS reading test. First and foremost, it is crucial to familiarize yourself with the format and requirements of the IELTS reading section. This will enable you to understand what is expected of you and how to approach different question types. Make sure you invest time in practicing sample questions and reading past papers to get a better grasp of the exam pattern. In addition to understanding the structure of the test, developing effective reading strategies can greatly enhance your performance. Start by skimming the passage to get a general idea of the content and then quickly scan for specific details. This will save you time and help you locate the answers more efficiently. Furthermore, while reading the passage, it is essential to actively engage with the text, annotating important information, underlining keywords, and summarizing each paragraph can aid in better comprehension and retrieval of information during the exam. Vocabulary plays a key role in tackling the IELTS reading section. Expand your vocabulary by regularly reading English newspapers, magazines, and books. This will expose you to a wide range of words and phrases, enhancing your understanding and enabling you to confidently answer questions related to complex texts. Finally, time management is crucial. The IELTS reading test is time-bound, and you must answer 40 questions in just 60 minutes. Practice time management techniques, such as allocating fixed time limits to each passage and actively monitoring your progress to ensure that you complete all questions in the given time frame. Remember, success in the IELTS reading section comes with practice and persistence. By following these tips, you will gradually improve your reading skills and boost your chances of achieving a high score in the IELTS exam. Happy reading and good luck.